The following children died in the 1800s, and now they've come back to haunt your party.
Oh, a party! Yay!
I should also mention these children were evil, so it's okay that they died. They were bad kids.
I was a bad boy. But I love music. Whee! Oh no.
Up and down, they play for all eternity.
This is my favorite song.
Clap, clap went the skeleton. That's a skeleton clapping. Their little skeleton hands. Clap, 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 clap.
Hello, skeleton.
The skeleton clapped for a long time.
I think he really liked that one.
Yes. Yes, he did.
You're really good.
Thank you. Those are also bones.
Cracking bones. There are lots of chiropractors in hell.
That's right. That's right. There are lots of chiropractors in hell. Why don't you pick up that kazoo?
I thought you'd never ask. Whee!
Stay with it. Yes. Haunted children doing a little song. I am also a child. Does that scare you? Pop, goes your heart.
Oh, I don't like that one. What a mean man. But the skeleton likes it. The skeleton
That's
likes
right.
it.
The skeleton loved it.